Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch 3 to a Vivo phone. First, make sure your watch is charged and turned on. Your Vivo phone needs to run Android version 4.4 or newer, with at least 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Also, ensure Bluetooth is active on your phone before proceeding to the next step. The next crucial step is to download the necessary application. Head over to the Google Play Store on your Vivo phone. Search for the Galaxy Wearable app and install it. This application is essential for managing your watch's features and completing the connection process. Once downloaded, open the app to begin. With the app open, tap Start or Get Started to begin the pairing process. Your phone will then search for nearby devices. When your Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 appears, select it from the list. Both your watch and phone will display a pairing request. Confirm this on both devices to establish the connection. After successful pairing, you will be guided through a few final setup steps. Review and accept the terms and conditions, then configure your watch settings as preferred. You can also restore any previous backups. For continuous connectivity, even when Bluetooth is off, remember to enable the remote connection feature within the Galaxy Wearable app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.